to reset the discourse on India from a Christian perspective. My advantages and disadvantages as a researcher. In reference to the Syriac tradition, I consider myself lucky for several reasons. I happen to belong to what may be characterized as the transitional generation that grew up in Kerala between the 1950s and 1970s. This was the time of transition of the Syro Malabar liturgy from Syriac to the vernacular. The transitional generation continues to hold memories of the sound and sentiments of the Syriac language and liturgy. I feel lucky to have been born into the family of a great teacher of the Syriac language and liturgy, the saintly Pallakal Thoma Malpan, the most senior among the founders of the religious congregation that I belong to. I am also lucky to be born at Pallippuram, the home of the first indigenous seminary, as we understand the term today, of the St. Thomas Christians that Palackal Thoma Malpan founded. It was at Pallippuram Seminary that the Malpan groomed his favorite disciple, his adopted son, Saint Chavara, to be an erudite and zealous priest, as well as a future collaborator in founding the first indigenous religious congregation.